Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday holds video conference meet with all the chief ministers in the country. Meet was held due to the increasing number of COVID-19 cases in four major states, that is Maharashtra, Delhi, Kerala and West Bengal. Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, after attending meet with PM Narendra Modi on Tuesday, said that cases are increasing in four states, that is Maharashtra, Delhi, Kerala and West Bengal. PM Modi held review meet in regards to COVID-19 management in the state. Preliminary preparation for COVID-19 vaccine was also discussed with PM Modi. PM has instructed to give in writing the suggestions for distribution of vaccine amongst people. CM Dr. Pramod Sawant also informed about preliminary plans of distributing the vaccine amongst the people. CM said that the priority will be given to the frontline workers, people with comorbid conditions and those who are aged 65 and above. Whether it will be paid or not, discussions are still on in this matter. PM Narendra Modi has also guided about the process of distribution of the vaccine. The vaccine may tentatively arrive after January. It can be an Indian or an foreign vaccine. CM Dr. Pramod Sawant also urged people of Goa to follow social distancing and other precautionary measures. CM said that testing is still on in the state. Those who have symptoms and doubts can test themselves. With increasing number of positive cases in other states, CM Dr. Pramod Sawant informed that thermal screening of tourists entering the Goa state will be strictly maintained. The fine for not wearing mask has been also increased to Rs 200 in the state of Goa. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.